Well, guys, what's poppin' with everybody? Young Prodigy right here. Yes, sir. You guys already know what's going on. It's Friday out here. It's Friday, about to be 4th of July. It's hot as fuck out here. It's been like a little more than a week now, about going on 2 weeks since I've had the Camaro. I mean, the auto body shop is still looking at the Hellcat. I'll give you guys like a full update later in this video. But right now we are on the way. We're taking the Camaro. I'm by myself. We're gonna go to BLUEFACES new little restaurant, little soul restaurant right here in Santa Clarita in California. You know what I mean? So we are currently on the way. You know what I mean? It is 10 miles away, 21 minutes out. So we are currently on the way to that in the Camaro, the V6. Look, it's right there, it's right there. SCV Fish Market, open, Southern Fried Fish. BLUEFACES new restaurant, let's go. Well, yep. Open the bag up. Let's see what we got. I got the red velvet cake. And we got the ribs with the mac and cheese. Let's see what it do. Well, guys, that was pretty much it. I got the I went and got the rib platter. They had a little deal going on for the 4th of July weekend or whatever the fuck. I got the ribs, the mac and cheese. I got the Blues lemonade. It came with a dinner roll, and I got the red velvet cake, and that shit was so gas. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm not even gassing it up. The mac and cheese was pretty good. It was not dry like what I heard on YouTube or what I heard on Instagram, whatever the fuck. The ribs, everything came out super nice and hot. The ribs were busting. The dinner roll with it was gas. The Blues lemonade smacked with it. I almost got a second one, but yeah, man, I can't be having that much sugar. Red velvet cake was fire. You know what I mean? But we're back in the Marrow. You know what I mean? We gotta head back to the city because I gotta get a haircut. I gotta do a couple other things. And yeah, you know what I mean? And then I'll give you guys a little update on the Hellcat.
MTCB.
We got a Huracan right here. I'm pretty sure it's the Huracan right there. Okay guys, we're at the beach. I got my little setup right here. I mean, I got a towel, my little chair, a little cooler with some shit in it. Damn. I mean, right here, it's packed. We're gonna go out here and fucking enjoy the 4th of July and then make it back to the crib and then barbecue. So let's go. Turn up for the vlog. Turn up for the vlog. Turn that shit up for the vlog.
Yeah!
Turn it up
What's
for the
YouTube?
Young Prodigy.
I got you.
Young Prod _G. This is what goes on in the fucking In-N-Out parking lot right now, I swear to God. Oh, looks so good though. The splitter looks so good. Bike res. He went the bike res. He went the bike res. Exactly. What's going on, bud?
It was really easy to install.
Really? It looks, honestly, it looks way more bright. Well, this is what I'm whipping now. The MKT EcoBoost, the Lincoln. Here's my old 275s. for the Hellcat 275s, the stock ones, the stock tires. And I hope the Geico puts 305s on there, since that's what they're gonna be replacing. And I wonder how my my exhaust. Oop, there goes my phone. I wonder how my exhaust is gonna be from my Hellcat. I wonder if it's gonna be a stock exhaust, or if it's gonna be like they're just gonna replace the pipes, or I wonder if they have to replace the pipes at all. But the exhaust. But yeah, this is the little Lincoln that I'm whipping. We'll push to start. Okay. 140 on the dash. Wait 1 second, I had to show you guys this. Can't forget to drop the top. Oh yes sir. Because right now we are actually on the way to meet up with the homie Nick Vibes. We'll tag his Instagram because he's plugging me in with a PS5 real quick, so we're gonna go hop on that, you know what I mean? But let's see if we can get this estimate out on the phone so I can show you guys. Go to the Geico app real quick. Take my little bag off. Yeah, let me drop this top real quick too, because it's nice as fuck outside. Thinking I got the GoPro set up like super fucking crazy on my door right now. I'm like hoping, I pray to God it's not gonna drop on me while I'm gonna show you guys this little claim. We're on the phone. We're on the Geico app. You know what I mean? It's loading. We're gonna show you guys the claim right now. Bam. I'm gonna show you guys the estimate right now. I told you guys this is the next day type shit because I didn't get to show you guys it yesterday. But this Geico app's loading. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down. You know what I mean? We're gonna scroll down to here's coverage, inspection details, inspection, rental car, inspection. We're gonna hit view. Bam. It's loading. I'm at 3%, so I'm gonna have to go inside and go get a charger. But here's the repair estimate. Right there, guys. That's a thumbnail. I'm trying to get that thing to load, or to focus. Yeah, $37,000, $37,931. $37,931. That's gonna be the total estimate. It says estimated time repair. They put 0 days because there's a couple parts on back order. So right now it's August 2nd. They said it's gonna be ready like the 1st or 2nd week of September. So we got pretty much 1 more month. You know what I mean? That ain't nothing. 4 weeks or 3 weeks. You know what I mean? That ain't shit, honestly. But yeah, so we're gonna be whipping the Lincoln till then. Might get another rental car, I don't know. I mean, just for fun. Maybe an exotic one, who knows. But yeah, so let's go hop in the whip. I'm gonna go inside and grab a charger. We're gonna go meet up with the homie and get this PS5. Skirt.
Yes, sir. Getting that PS5.
Yes, sir. The homie Nick Vibes pulled up for the first time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're out here getting that PS5. You know what I mean? Locking me in.
Hellcat coming soon.
Exactly. Hellcat's coming back real soon. We don't even wait. We're just gonna unbox it here.
Fuck it.
It feels. The box still feels new. Oh yeah. Oh, we're locked in. Oh yeah, we're straight.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's gonna look. We're gonna show them the whole thing.
Have you ever felt the controller on this?
No.
It feels nice, bro.
Do you have one?
My homie has one. I play all the time. That's why I'm reselling this one.
Wow. Nice. Oh yeah. The homie just got one yesterday. He said his was huge compared to the PS4. He ain't lying.
It's
It looks huge. Wow, that's crazy.
Sheesh.
New PS5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just like that. I don't even know how to get in here. Oh yeah. And the controller, huh?
Right here.
It feels crazy.
Yeah, I love the feeling on the controller.
Wow.
Like that little suede look on it.
Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, that's nice.
Yes, sir.
Wow, that feels exclusive. You know, I was low-key looking at, I was hitting up everybody, and like a couple people had other ones, but like nobody had the digital edition. Well, we got a successful transaction. We got the PS5. We already unboxed it right there. The homie wanted to vlog for me for a second, so I let him vlog. I started recording when I was pulling up in here, cause you know what I mean. I never pulled up to this nigga's crib before, so you know what I mean. Got a lot of ops out here, you know what I mean. So fucking, you know what I mean. I was being precautious, you know what I mean, cause I ain't got nothing on me, you know what I mean. I ain't got nothing on me, running butt naked, and the police station's right around the corner. So this city's honestly fucking sus. This city sucks, but. Yeah, that was cool. Shout out to Nick for plugging me in. We're gonna go home right now and literally see what this PS5 do. We're gonna see what this PS5 do. We're gonna go try to set it up. But later, we're gonna go and get this brand new TV. I got a brand new Samsung 4K TV at my other old house, not the house I'm staying at, but somewhere else. So we're gonna go pick that up, or we're gonna go to Best Buy today and buy a brand new one. Set it up so we can we're getting like the best quality, like fucking everything with the PS5, you know what I mean? Best quality. We are currently on the way to Best Buy right now. We're gonna go get either a brand new TV or a monitor for the PS5. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Got the fucking top drop. We're right here in my city in the Lincoln MKT EcoBoost. There goes the Mopar. Shout out to you, baby. I can't wait to get the cat back. A couple more weeks though, guys. Well, guys, here's the monitor. I got the monitor set up, PS5 set up. Old TV's right here. We're gonna get rid of that and put a new one up, a new 4K. But yeah, I got this PS5 controller charging. This thing's doing a little restart. It's first update, so I'm hell excited. Well, what's poppin' with everybody? Yes, sir, Young Prodigy right here. Got my headphones in, cause I don't even know why I got them in right now, cause I'm driving, which is not good. LOL, wide body scat, just passed by me. Yes, guys, it's next day type shit. We are on the way again to Best Buy. I'm gonna go get the PS5, the PlayStation. I'm gonna go get the PlayStation 3. What is it? It's 4K or 3D or some shit like that. Camera. So pretty much like the PlayStation streaming camera. It's only $60. PlayStation made it. We're gonna go get it and test it out because I low-key want to start streaming on Twitch on top of it, the vlogs that I be doing, you know. Because especially when I get the Hellcat back in only 3 weeks, 3 more weeks, pretty much 3 more weeks, pretty much 4, but it's 3. You know what I mean? 3 weeks left. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna start going crazy with the vlogs again, like I was doing 2 or 3 times a week. I'm gonna be dropping vlogs 2 or 3 times a week, just like I was doing when I had the cat again. So a lot to come with the Hellcat when we get it back. But first we gotta get it back, you know. But yeah, I want to start streaming on Twitch. That's gonna be fun. I pretty much told you guys everything that's up to date with the Hellcat. Now I'm just waiting. I showed you guys the estimate. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this vlog. I really don't know what else to do. A lot more to come. Hashtag trust the process. 3 more weeks and we got the Hellcat coming. So can't wait. I'm excited, and if anything else is to happen, I'm gonna for sure be filming. So let's go.